Hello kids, let's learn the names of vehicles. Van. This is van. What is this? This is van. Van. This vehicle is taxi. What is this? This is taxi. Taxi. This vehicle is police car. What is this? This is police car. Police car. This vehicle is bus. What is this? This is bus. This is bus. This vehicle is ambulance. What is this? This is ambulance. This is ambulance. This vehicle is bicycle. What is this? This is bicycle. This is bicycle. This vehicle is motorcycle. What is this? This is motorcycle. What is this? This is motorcycle. This vehicle is scooter. What is this? This is scooter. What is this? This is scooter. The next vehicle is fire engine. What is this? This is fire engine. This vehicle is fire engine. Fire engine. The next vehicle is crane. What is this? This is crane. This vehicle is crane. Crane. Thank you for watching this video, kids. Subscribe.